Sure. Day 2.
Day 2. We've already started with breakfast.
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, it was actually good. The buffet here is almost all made from scratch.
Yeah, made to order.
Yeah, lots of options. And so it's really nice. It's really nice. So.
Eggs Benedict, French toast.
Yeah, we won't do that every day. Okay.
No, that wasn't right.
And afterwards, we found the activity center and we watched people play pickleball. We were going to try it, but the court's kind of small, so we're going to try it maybe at home because I do want to try it.
Yeah, for sure. And then earlier today we found and we took pictures of this where you walk out over a net and it's over the ocean.
Yeah,
So that's interesting.
I don't like that. So basically, I couldn't even walk on it because the squares were so big and my feet are small and they were going through it, which was scary enough. So, but I did make it out there. That was kind of fun.
Which I'm proud of you. You did good. Now, that's what we've done so far.
Right, so what do we do?
Now that we're all showered up and ready to go, we're going to go look for lunch.
Yeah.
Right? And then I have a tequila tasting and history of tequila going on that too. So that should be fun.
Yeah. And then we've got, then we think we're going to go back to the casino for a little bit because we're at sea and it's open. And then, because we think the casinos are looser at the beginning of a cruise than
They
at the
were
end.
really loose last night, or we did really good.
And then we're going to go, then we have dinner. We have an early dinner tonight at Gunday, which is the Korean place. I'm looking forward to that. Everybody says it's really, really good. Then we're going to go and check out the dual reality show. We're going to try to see that. And we're going to go to Piccadilly after hours party. And that would be pretty much the day, I think.
Yeah. Well, we'll see. We might add on to all this, but we'll let you know as we go.
Okay.
Right.
See you soon.
Goodbye.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so next up is the tequila testing.
So we're going to hear a lot about tequila and how do you say it?
Mezcal.
Okay, so
Mezcal.
he doesn't know either. So we're going to hear the difference between them and why they're different things. So let's do some tequila.
Hello. Yes, we're signed up for the tasting, but my wife has my band. She'll be right here.
Okay, sure, no problem. Come and take a seat. Just kind of in this general area. And
Okay.
As soon as we're ready to start.
Perfect, thank you.
Hi guys, welcome.
Remy.
Who was dragged here against their will, right?
I drugged myself here.
It's okay, this is a safe space. Blink twice if you need help. You're gonna be good. We're converting you today. We're here for transparent, so why was the bouquet very important in Mexico? So it was like used for some special occasions. Get married, get divorced, more. All the rituals in churches that they had in that moment, all the rituals they covered with book. The only two type of person that was not allowed to do was pregnant.
Oh, it's getting deeper. It's like the secret area. There's the stairs. Wow, look at that.
Okay, so Lisa and I found a little secret.
Yeah, so we're at the Manor, which is off of the casino, and this is like their nightclub, and we're here to watch a little show. And we found this really great upstairs area.
It was crowded downstairs.
Yeah,
we couldn't
really
find a place to
crowded.
sit.
Right.
But then
So
we
here we
found
are.
these stairs that took us upstairs.
Right. And it's even got our own bartender right there. So the Manor, find the stairs upstairs. And there's also a little second room, which is really quiet too. So, all right, check it out. What would you like to drink?
This evening. Good? We feeling incredible? Yeah. Are we feeling sexy? Yeah. Are we feeling tipsy? Yes. I know you are, sir.
So we are busy enjoying day 2, and the captain just made an announcement.
Of saying we have turned back towards the U.S. coast, and
said
we were
you
headed
may
to
have-
Costa Maya, by the way.
Yeah, he said you may have noticed we've changed directions and are now heading towards the U.S. coast. Virgin doesn't have a map where you can see where you are like the other ships do, so I don't know where we
haven't
are.
seen one anywhere.
So maybe we're heading toward Texas, but the reason they said is there was a medical emergency, and we did hear an announcement earlier today
Oh, right.
about somebody that they were calling the medics to a room. So that's why we're moving. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with the rest of the cruise.
All right.
And
We'll
we're
keep
just
you
on
posted.
standby. So day 2, things always change.
All right, tonight's dinner is that.
Gunby.
I'm gonna go gunby.
Gunby. We're doing Korean barbecue. So come join us.
Room is 83188.
Holandisa.
That's us.
You got that right. Good job, A.
He's had a few glands.
First time.
First time. Yes.
Welcome to the first ever Korean barbecue at sea.
Yes.
And one of the most loudest and playful restaurant that we have on board.
good.
Also of our drinking game,
Oh.
which we will be doing later, after or before the meal.
Alright.
So for tonight's dinner, we will be having a 3-course menu. By the way, before I start, any food allergy, dietary needs, all good? Any more pancake?
No, thank you.
Riding the corner. So the captain decided 2 a.m. in the morning to find everybody and take off for Miami.
No.
This is terrible.
I haven't even started on it.
No, I might have. I listed this stuff off.
No. But I bought it, so I have to drink it. It's punishment.
When I ordered today, and I was ordering, I started drinking, I'm like, it's awful. But I
He
had
ordered a seltzer.
I know, it's because
Cucumber and mint. And he's
I
like, I
drank
don't
it
like
because I was like,
worst drink I've ever had. But I ordered it, so I have to drink it, right? Yeah. Oh, I can?
I think, yeah.
She said I could keep it.
Why would you? No.
what?
Sorry, I thought.
Sorry, it's okay. Thank God. Otherwise, I'd have more crap in the house.
There's
No, it's
sensor
disco
by the door, so if you pass by with this, it will...
And the alarm goes off.
So we walked out of our room tonight, and the whole ship has been transformed to this red colors. Everybody's in red. It's kind of a cool vibe for the evening on this scarlet night. So let's check it out.
Everybody in red.